Hey guys, it's Miss Bashir. So we are talking about measurement this week and next week. So I'm going to read a book to you about measurement. So the book that I'm going to read today is off of Epic Books and it's called Math World, Measure It. So if you want to read it, you can go to Epic Books and then you can find it there and you can read it yourself. Okay, so this is called Measure It. Our class brought our favorite objects from home to show and tell. We get to display them on our class shelf, but Miss Lima says that we need to measure them first. At our table, Brooks brought the first book that he read all by himself. Libby brought a ribbon from her grandmother. I brought a Valentine's Day pencil from my best friend. And Travis brought the box his family's refrigerator came in. First, we measure with paper clips. They shouldn't overlap, Miss Lima says, and there shouldn't be gaps in between them. So Brooks's book is about 8 paper clips wide. Libby's ribbon is 20 paper clips long. My pencil is 7 paper clips long. And Travis, well, he runs out of paper clips. Then we notice something. I raise my hand. The paper clips are different sizes. My pencil is 7 paper clips long with these, but it's 4 paper clips long with these. You're right, says Mrs. Lima. Things like paper clips will vary in size. That's why standard measurements like centimeters and inches were invented, because those are always the same size. This time, Libby measures the ribbon with a ruler. It is 21 inches long. Brooks measures his book with a ruler. It is 21 centimeters tall, but Libby's ribbon looks longer than the book. Inches are bigger than centimeters, our teacher explains. So let's all measure in centimeters. At our table, we pretend our special things are in a family. Ribbon is the oldest. Book is the second oldest. Pencil is shorter than the book, and it's also shorter than the ribbon. What about Travis's box? Brooks asked. He is a giant that will eat the family, Travis says. Our things are 218 centimeters all together. So they added up all of their objects and it came out to be 218 centimeters. Our class lines up all of our special things by length. My pencil is the same size as Alexa's mermaid. That means that they're twins, Alexa says. Altogether, our special things are 687 centimeters long, and our shelf is 150 centimeters long. I have an idea. Each table can take a turn putting their things on the shelf. Our table goes first, but our items still don't fit. I guess there's only room for mine, Travis says. Travis, we all say. He takes something out of his pocket. Here, I brought something that's smaller. It's called a stinger, Travis says, and he puts it on the shelf. It is less than a centimeter. We can barely see it. She may be little, but she is fierce, he says, pointing to where the bee stung him. And then the lunch bell rings and we decide to line up in order of our height. I'm the line leader and the first one to get a hot lunch. Yes. I hope you enjoyed our book today. If you have any questions, then let me know. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.